Now, if you want to start doing gift baskets, selling gift baskets, and you're trying to find a way to get stuff for dirt cheap to go in your gift baskets, this is a great way. You'll get you. Hey you guys, my name is Turkissa Wilson, and in today's video, we are going to go through these $5 boxes, okay? Now, if you want to start doing gift baskets, selling gift baskets, and you're trying to find a way to get stuff for dirt cheap to go in your gift baskets, this is a great way. You don't know what you get. This is just a regular box that I got from Michael's. They only had 2 left, okay? So if you're trying to start your stockpile up, we are going to go through this box together and see what we can use out of this box. Okay, now I am hoping for flowers. I need flowers, and I'm hoping they have some flowers in here. Okay, that's what I'm hoping for. So we're going to see what's in it together. All right, so I'm going to open this up, and then we're going to go through the box together. Again, this is a wonderful way to start your stockpile for your gift baskets, okay? So I'll be back. Okay, you guys, I opened the box, and we're going to go through it. Now, we got some wreaths right here. I'll probably give these to my daughters. So we got some wreaths. But again, I'm looking for stuff that can go in my basket. Here's another one. The original price for these, let's see if it was on here, is $69.99. See that? So I got 2 of those. Okay, so we got some pillows. I got stuff all over it. So I did not get no flowers yet. That sucks because I was hoping for flowers. And then I got 2 pillows. The original price for this is $29.99. So I will make use for that. And I got another pillow. Got stuff all over it. Let's see if we can dust it off. So we got 2 of those. And oh, that's cute. It says love grows best in happy homes. Oh, that's cute. Okay, so that's what was in that box. The original price for this was, let's see, there we go, $29.99. So that's the first box. Let's see what we got in the second box. Okay, this is the second box I just opened. Again, I got more wreaths. Oh, it's the same thing as the first one. I can see it already. But you know what? I can actually take these apart and still use them for my baskets. So it's not a big loss to me because it's still flowers. So I guarantee you guys I'm gonna make this work. All right, so I got another one of those. It's the exact same, see? And then another wreath. And then I got a pillow, another pillow, and another sign. But I'm gonna make it work. It ain't a complete loss. What I'm gonna do is go ahead to a different Michael's and see if I can find some more of these boxes and take another chance. Because I'm gonna still make these work. I'm still take these flowers off of these wreaths and make it work. And 2 of the wreaths I'm gonna go ahead and give it to my daughters, my girls, so they can rock it on their door. But yes, so I just want to show you an example of what you can do for your stockpile. So I did say I need flowers. So technically there's flowers on here, and I guarantee you I will use them. Okay, you have a blessed one.